Hello, my name is Chris Chapman, and I help leaders of IT change in financial services minimize the risk of program failure. Today, I want to share some more thoughts on the reasons why programs fail. And I thought I'd start by sharing some of my own observations based on my experiences as the first of two parts entitled Premature Transformation Before Program Governance is Complete. I've seen that there's an inherent geekiness in most technologists, not always, but often, that encourages an impatient and impassioned desire to implement technology change as quickly as possible. To really succeed with efficient and risk-free technology change, there needs to be trust, patience, an agreed set of program rules or governance, and above all, confidence to succeed. Certainty in a strategic vision and the way in which you communicate it initially is also a must. Communicating it widely to the recipients of your technology change, the customers of your program outcomes, is also critical to your program's success. While it's less exciting, get your program foundations firmly established in governance, your program rule set before you march off to do your designing, building, testing and implementing. It will help prevent any potential road crashes later on. I've observed that the program mandate is sometimes incomplete, not fully agreed or inadequately communicated. How often have you heard, "I didn't know we were doing that. None of my team knew about this, and we've been working on an alternative solution for the past 9 months." There is then embarrassment and leading questions on who authorized this, about wasted resource and who paid for this. Then there is a period of escalation, angst decisions made on which solution to finally run with, whose scope and budget to use, and assessment of impact on the existing program, and whether a program change is needed. The answer here is get as broad a buy-in as much as possible to your initial program mandate. And again, communicate it widely to avoid ambiguity. I've also noticed that the program owner role and the roles of the program board are sometimes ambiguous, poorly defined, and their involvement, especially in risk and issue management, is unclear. "Come back to us when it's done" is sometimes an initial program board message to a program manager, born out of an ignorance of the roles required of a program board. A program board's function is not just to initiate commitment at the start of a program. A program board provides an essential function in actively maintaining the direction of outcomes, the cost to budget, resource prioritization, and especially as a supreme level of escalation or arbitration. Program board members are important in arbitrating critical decision making on program risks and issues, as these sometimes originate from within the program but have impacts on business in operational production as well. The answer here is it's critical to maintain a regular, active, interested program board and sponsor participation. Keep regular monthly program board risk and issue reviews to maintain progress, to schedule, to reaffirm outcome direction, and ultimately drives a successful completion. And finally, program sponsorship and critical stakeholders aren't always totally committed. I've joined some in-flight programs where a key stakeholder, for example, has withheld project resource because their interpretation of the program brief or mandate was different from other stakeholders. This symptom reinforces the message that the answer is yet again that obtaining 100% approval, support, and commitment to your program is critical to get it to successful completion, as per your initial schedule, your scope, budget, and any further changes on the way. I hope you found this useful. Please feel free to comment here and contact me if you think I can help you further. Bye for now.